Top 10 new cruiser motorcycles for 2020 for the best speed and comfortable. (2024) Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited, the undisputed king of touring comfort. The Ultra Limited is a rolling palace on wheels. The Milwaukee 8114 V-twin engine delivers effortless power, while the Batwing fairing and heated seats cocoon you in luxury. Cruise control, ample storage, and cutting-edge tech like Boom Box GTS infotainment make long journeys a breeze. But be prepared for a hefty price tag and its sizable presence. Engine type: air-cooled, twin-cooled Milwaukee 8114 V-twin, displacement 1868 cubic centimeters, horsepower not officially stated, estimated 168 pound-foot torque, compression ratio 10.5:1, fuel injection, electronic sequential port fuel injection, ESPFI, with 49mm throttle bodies. 2024 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited, MSRP price $35,349. (2024) Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. This air-cooled, parallel twin cruiser is a celestial blend of classic charm and modern features. The smooth 648 cubic centimeters engine offers relaxed cruising, while the comfortable riding position and optional tripper navigation keep you on track. Choose from 3 distinct trims, from the base Astral to the premium Celestial, each with its own unique flair. Affordable and accessible, the Super Meteor is a great choice for new riders and seasoned cruisers alike. Engine type: air-cooled, parallel twin, derived from Continental GT and INT 650, displacement 648 cubic centimeters, horsepower 47 horsepower at 7,250 rpm, torque 38 pound-foot at 5,650 rpm, fuel injection, electronic. 2024 Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, MSRP price $6,799. Astral trim, $7,099, Interstellar trim, $7,399, Celestial trim. (2024) Moto Morini Milano 1200, Italian style meets modern muscle in the Milano 1200. The 1,187 cubic centimeters V-twin engine packs a punch, while the Brembo brakes and adjustable suspension ensure confident handling. Classic Italian lines and a comfortable riding position make this bike a head-turner both on city streets and winding country roads. However, its limited availability and European price tag might be limitations for some. Engine type: 1,187 cubic centimeters, 87 degrees V-twin Corsa Quarter EVO, liquid-cooled, power, over 125 horsepower, official figure not yet released, torque, gutsy torque curve exceeding 108 Nm, 80 pound-foot. 2024 Moto Morini Milano 1200, MSRP price €14,990. (2024) Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic 114. This throwback cruiser blends old-school Harley DNA with modern performance. The iconic Milwaukee 8114 engine provides ample power, while the hard saddlebags, detachable windscreen, and heated grips make it a comfortable tourer. Chrome accents and classic styling lend a vintage vibe, while the smaller size and lower price point compared to the Ultra Limited make it a more accessible option. Engine type: air-cooled, Milwaukee 8114 V-twin, displacement 1868 cubic centimeters, horsepower not officially stated, estimated 168 pound-foot torque, compression ratio 10.5:1, fuel injection, electronic sequential port fuel injection, ESPFI, with 49mm throttle bodies. 2024 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic 114, MSRP price $20,899. 2024 CFmoto CLX Spirit. This Chinese cruiser newcomer punches above its weight with a comfortable riding position, adjustable windshield, and LED lighting. The 700 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers smooth power, making it an excellent choice for everyday riding and casual cruising. With an attractive price tag and modern touches, the CLX Spirit offers a budget-friendly alternative to established brands. Engine type: liquid-cooled, parallel twin, displacement 693 cubic centimeters, horsepower 72 horsepower at 8,500 rpm, torque 50 pound-foot at 6,500 rpm, fuel injection Bosch EFI. 2024 CFmoto CLX Spirit, MSRP price $6,999. UM Renegade Sport, this American cruiser newcomer arrives with a rebellious spirit. Powered by a punchy 1,203 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, it devours curves and spits out asphalt with ferocity. The aggressive stance, low-slung seat, and forward-mounted foot pegs beg for spirited sprints, while the comfortable riding position keeps you in control. However, limited dealer availability and a price tag approaching premium Harley territory might give you pause. Engine type: air-cooled, V-twin, displacement 1,203 cubic centimeters, horsepower 89 horsepower at 7,750 rpm, torque 73 pound-foot at 6,000 rpm, fuel injection, electronic. 2024 Renegade Sport, MSRP price $14,999. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Nightster, the iconic Sportster gets a dark and muscular makeover. The new Nightster ditches the peanut tank for a burly fuel cell while sporting an aggressive stance and an all-blacked-out look. The liquid-cooled Revolution Max 975 engine unleashes a surge of modern power, while the playful handling makes tackling city streets a blast. Budget-conscious riders might be wary of the premium Harley-Davidson badge, but this Nightster offers adrenaline-pumping fun at a slightly more accessible price point than its bigger brothers. Engine type: liquid-cooled, 60 degrees V-twin, Revolution Max 975T, displacement 975 cubic centimeters, horsepower 90 horsepower at 7,500 rpm, torque 77 pound-foot at 5,750 rpm, compression ratio 12.1:1, fuel injection, electronic sequential port fuel injection, ESPFI, with 42mm throttle bodies. 2024 Harley-Davidson Nightster, MSRP price $14,999. The 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator 500 SE, this Japanese cruiser injects some sport bike DNA into the mix. The fuel-injected, parallel twin engine delivers agile performance, urging you to carve corners with a grin. The comfortable and adjustable suspension balances sporty handling with relaxed cruising, while the iconic teardrop tank and low-slung stance ooze classic cruiser confidence. At an attractive price point, the Eliminator 500 SE is a tempting option for both new and experienced riders seeking a blend of thrills and affordability. Engine type: liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, DOHC, 8-valve, parallel twin, displacement 498 cubic centimeters, horsepower 47 horsepower at 8,000 rpm, torque 38 pound-foot at 6,500 rpm, fuel injection 32mm X2. 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator 500 SE, MSRP price $6,399. The 2024 Benelli Lioncino 800 Trail, this Italian beast isn't afraid to get its tires dirty. The 754 cubic centimeters, parallel twin engine provides potent power for both highway blasts and gravel day tours. The long travel suspension soaks up bumps with aplomb, while the Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2 tires offer tenacious grip on any terrain. The upright riding position and comfortable seat make even long adventures enjoyable, and the full LED lighting illuminates the path ahead, whatever the time of day. If your definition of cruising includes exploring the unbeaten track, the Lioncino 800 Trail is your rugged companion. Engine type: liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, 8-valve, DOHC, Parallel twin, displacement, 754 cubic centimeters, horsepower, 76.2 horsepower at 8,500 rpm, torque, 67 Nm at 6,500 rpm, approximately 50 pound-foot, fuel injection, electronic. 2024 Benelli Lioncino 800 Trail, MSRP price $9,999. 2024 Harley-Davidson Sportser S. The legend returns, reborn and redefined. The Sportser S swaps the classic air-cooled V-twin for the liquid-cooled Revolution Max 1250 engine, unleashing a ferocious 127 horsepower. The aggressive stance, cafe racer-inspired clip ONS, and sharp handling beg for high-speed sprints, while the adjustable suspension ensures control even when adrenaline pumps. This isn't your grandfather's Sportster, it's a modern muscle cruiser for riders who crave raw power and corner-carving thrills. However, be prepared for a premium price tag and a ride that prioritizes performance over long-distance comfort. Engine type: liquid-cooled, 60 degrees V-twin, Revolution Max 1250T, displacement, 1,252 cubic centimeters, horsepower, 127 horsepower at 7,500 rpm, torque, 94 pound-foot at 6,000 rpm, compression ratio, 12.7:1, fuel injection, electronic sequential port fuel injection, ESPFI, with 44mm throttle bodies. 2024 Harley-Davidson Sportser S, MSRP price $16,499.